Welcome to Spring Break 2021. Over the next 2 weeks, we'll be having spring break at all four of our campuses. Next week, starting on Monday, the 15th, spring break will be happening at the Larimer campus. And then the following week, starting Monday the 22nd, spring break will be happening at the Westminster, Boulder, and Brighton campuses. As a result of that, it makes it difficult to have spring break in an online class because I have students from all four campuses. So here's how it's going to work, just so that you're aware of it. As you can notice right here, you have to meet the requirements for week 9 at any time during this 14-day period that we'll call spring break. Okay, so basically everything's going to be due at the end of this week right here, which is the Westminster, Boulder, Brighton campus week. But you say, I go to the school there. Well, then do all your work this week, in week 1 of these 2 weeks. And then Larimer campus kids can do theirs week 2. You can do it however you want to. I don't care. You still have to meet the same requirements, which is there's only one post, so there's not 2. That makes life a little bit easier. There's no reading assignment or reading journal. There's no quiz, but there is a paper due. So keeping that in mind, your discussion post has to be posted no later than 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, March the 24th, which is the Wednesday of the second week. The paper is due at the end of this week. Okay. Once again, you can submit it at any time in the 14-day period. You can do posts at any time during the 14-day period. You can go on do everything this first week and be done, or you can take this week off and do everything the second week, or you can do a little of both weeks. However you'd like to do it, that's how you can do it. There shouldn't be anything too difficult about it other than you have 14 days to complete 7 days worth of work, or the requirements of 1 week. So do it anytime in the next 14 days and everybody will be happy. So I am in the process of grading the short writing assignment number 3 for the 205-501 class. I've started grading those today in the midst of our blizzard, and I will be done with those shortly here the first part of the week. I hope you all have a great break. If you have any questions, make sure you email me and let me know, and I'll be able to answer them as quickly as possible. There is a chance that I may have to go out of town at the end of this week, which would be Friday the 19th, somewhere in that vicinity. But I will be back first thing on Monday morning, and I will be involved all the way through this 2-week period. I will come in and out from time to time. I won't be in it the entire time. I hope you guys have a great spring break. If you're going to Florida, it's great. Or if you love skiing, I guess you're going to really enjoy this spring break. So enjoy your time off, and I'll look forward to seeing everybody back in full swing first week of April. Have a great spring break.